unboxing. This is your unboxing video of NRG Core. He's opening it already, so he'll show you everything and how to build it. Ready, set, go! I'm gonna build my little snake. Can you get the card for me? Okay. So Keegan's card is here's the NRG card. Now he's gonna need some of my help. Okay. NRG. We can kind of. Okay, where is it? Here. Okay, here's the cards. So we have the NRG.
How you put this on?
Master Archer.
How you put this on?
This is a cool one.
Kai, we have
Snake Quake.
Hey, Colin! You have him, right?
This one's funny. Sensei's Tea Time. And here's our golden card. Promote Anger.
Let me see.
And if you don't know how to put the crown on the spinner, it's pretty easy. You just need to get this part and put the 2 Lego pieces right, I think, right here. Okay, most of you should know.
Now can I click that?
No!
Why?
You have to show them everything and build the guy.
This mustache is angry skin.
It doesn't matter because none's gonna win. Okay, now unbox it. And use it, and I'll pick up the scissors.
I need to make a G.
Okay.
NRG cool.
Okay.
NRG cool is
Wow.
awesome.
Okay. Okay, man. Yeah.
Yeah. First, we get NRG's face. Then we get this. Now I need a leg. Now where's his leg? Now where's his leg? Kylan?
Yeah?
Where's his leg? Oh, there's his leg, Kylan. NRG. Cool. Kylan, I made him.
Okay.
Now I need... So I need this and this to make the stab.
That?
Yeah. How do you make it? How do you make it? Like this or this? I need to make a stab. I can't. No, I have it. No, I have it.
Okay. So he needs some help, so I will help him. So you get this piece, Keegan. I think you put it like this.
I'm gonna use this kind of weapon.
Yes. Tilt it.
Okay.
Tilt it.
How do you build it?
It was easy. Promote anger.
They come from my pack, right?
Mhm. And Keegan lets me keep all the cards, right, Keegan?
Yep.
He's
Even
like,
my card.
Mhm. Because I find the cards interesting. Keegan, he doesn't really want them. He just goes, "You can have them."
Yeah, I don't want them.
Oof. I wish we could do it on my phone, but we can't. Sorry. I really wish we could. Wow, Keegan, you've been doing this for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So, Keegan, you put them on? Okay. So, bye. NRG Unboxing.